ever wondered how soulmates manage to find each other despite everything? Well, I wrote a song about it. They say there's plenty of fish in the sea, but all that does is scare me. How will you find me? I'm a needle in a haystack, just a grain of sand. A rose in the roughness, catch me if you can. Last pearl in the ocean, trash over with no romance. They say